back with another video. It's like just trying to learn how to waterfall. And there's no real easy way, but I found like a pretty easy way that's quick to learn. At least it was for me. So, one sec, let me set it up. It's not as quick, but it's easier. So that's what I'm showing you today. So basically, do it like if you're like, if you know how to like tarp like this. If you know how to tarp like this, just do that, but do it like this, 2 down, and then a stair or a floor. I'm pretty bad, but I usually can do it. Like this. Sometimes mess it up. It's really easy to mess up like that and do actual tarp, but and yeah, it's a kind of easy way to waterfall. Bye guys.